Effortless hairbrush cleaning. This brush is very dirty. That is because of the dust trapped in the hair or a henna application done recently to the hair. For this, you will have to take a deep container like this. Here I have taken a plastic deep container, and to that I am adding detergent. This container must be deep enough for the brush to get dipped very nicely. Here I am adding hot boiling water. And once you know that your brush is dipping nicely, just keep pushing it inwards into the container like this. You'll just dip it, remove it out, dip it, remove it out. This is what action you will continue doing for 1 to 2 minutes. There's no other scrubbing required, nothing else is required. You'll start noticing that the brush is getting clean only with this dipping action. Slowly, you will notice that the brush is clean and the water in that container is getting dirty. See the difference from what it was before and what it is now. This is a very easy way, my friends, to clean your hairbrush. Now, since this is a detangler, you need not worry about any water being trapped on the soft side of the brush because there's no soft side. This detangler just has two attachments. Here I am removing the excess of water that is trapped. Now, since this is very hot, you'll have to run it under cold water. There. And this is the attached part of the detangler, so you can just remove it and rinse it, and whatever water is trapped you can clear that. Now, as you can see, if you notice, there are few strands of hair. I will just dab this brush to remove excess of water, and see this brush how clean it is. So friends, you'll notice with very minimal effort the brush is clean. If you like today's hack, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting